aya mistake bi wo wa ya na ye di ye ho ko hyem okay won ema edusa empempe so yi Debby amasem ba ko ameka ne se obema edowa uwu wia e na ubehu se bema no dowa na se ondo okay na ye
Gano wahala jumedi na muni aba ekiesi kapa enenso mede ebe so meji say dia na muni se enseni ya domu esuko eye ne yede ebremo na ene dey abaye bia wakwakwakwaji eye loan e dey free eye bank dia ma eye ne kanchima wone no ete ama ene dey akoda ne no esum ene awrewo ejajo na dey koko wiase akrampo de nanka owo krampo ena eye abemode na no disem aba betu edwana enseno de emunchire mu bebre na ewo ho man kwhwe video no yeba yebeto aso
with a close friend W0man baby obia mechiano na me kotina monton labadi na me de behia me bano papa
okay
baby shiano he was good
I know now one fear saying
na me nyinka ka me obe 24 25
okay.
And then we lived we see etiana
onya won de mo kotina
me say na me koba
ejuma yi
den so na me koba by bedu baby un say odono chichio kakra he was like and a baby say we ba mo baby come and stay with me I don't want to lose you unless I am man so do achichire me
so he felt to say living under the same roof with him no na want me lose one
baby sir
oh okay
and say no ema me so mpese me faithful or by and then those stuff so because na
the wife material
92 years
thank you
so me got na in chain we were cool beat na me di ejuma no omo cafe China
okay
and then Nigeria na ye to raw materials no omo ho di ejuma
okay
yet fine na say bonsamo say den ne ho bebe mu me call we me call no ye me operation me no CS and then emergency by so 3 weeks after me we no yes I me surgical operation o me full so I wasn't that strong to work to send but still he was supportive until say edu baby no afi on snafie on dafie on yahwe
now what was the cause
I don't know.
Wow.
Say operation no na obehu mi wo theater honey na me film no. Or like but he was still good. He was taking care of me and the kid. But afi no kokra na omba. Okwa omba. But me so my mama Adrian can't say something was wrong. But na me ne mama communicate.
Okay.
Say see this is what is going on. I was shaming crying say things will be okay Naija. Me bu many good so me see odo say oh baby me kokwan so sika me dey coin so ntin me so odo me ko dey nim kwaji bank loan
hey ade we ya movie mu na ya me hu
8,000
for real
yes
wow.
So I will fast track I will kaswa coin so the man no so say na wachi chocho bi na koba so he was paying the loan though that wasn't the first time mama German
okay
so he was paying until say me call Facebook that was I think 17th March last year. Make uploading me new pictures and other stuff. Maybe call ya. Hey, as will be worry say engagement to say wedding or say they obey my meaning that sorry. And yes say kun or something was engaging another woman.
Hey,
I'm meaning that sorry yet see. Young kun yes say. But I was like I should have known say things were getting worse when he started say on Snaffy and all those stuff. But
not one to nothing, no question.
I asked him, and then you know what? My cousins were Labadi, so no, they are who how say they Ghana they only Bema now we so be a me put them a friend landlord until be a friend me you landlord or how
okay.
You be who be about in the car front. I had evidence, but now me boo me negus because me metisa metro baby but me kasa ye kitwe bi me kasa baby sa so we be who you know na me ne tree banner TV or near a 3-bedroom self-contained more Sprintex. So me who me mo and then I nearly had asthma attack because me am shame at once me who engagement video no. But
now or your friend on Facebook.
He was my friend.
To
But a lady no.
And a post
I think the lady ni be who got to know say I was there. So she created a fake account.
And the send a request.
Yes, into no post ya no tag me.
Na ye den. Ye ne Debby ni koi na kasa woka obo ye nkomo send we sifa sha ase woni be matena ye na warrior aware ni begu ye no na yetimi asua ade wo. Pesiansa or say MP you're looking sweet this morning. Thank you. I'll say to Daniel, I'll say MP, good morning. I'm really enjoying the show. Yeah, that's it. And Jeff Darko Glassworks. I'll say God is wonderful. God, glory be to God. I'm watching you live inside Amasaman 3 Junction. Thank you. Yami akwa kwabna men so say atamfo nyanyame. Ani omuntimi nyanyame mpoda.
So me be hu ye no na me tie mu na ne tube no bae na o say Debby, what is it? Na me say on hwe no so be hwe ne ne obefre ne maame mo. And within a twinkle of an eye, no way to car band. What was going on in me?
It's not all mammy aware.
Ne mammy aware, ne man, but engagements, ne dear. I think so. Only family for
and I call
yes.
For real?
Yes.
Wow.
And they call yeah, and then a whole lot happened. So now my cousin, I don't discuss my relationship with my family. So within 2 years now, I'm in it simple, but we were intimate. No kissing, nothing. Near to dining keke.
I didn't know sir.
Me call your operation and me call by like obey science. Am I up to sana or yes up to now there's no kind of me who's me I don't see myself attracted to anybody.
Anybody I know
anybody asking male nothing.
Wow.
Because I felt like Obi a Wubi, and then sana no ye no na I to say or yet to say me who ye no
time.
Say Obi who me na ya pai me o theater hono so I don't know. So me the same team say like nobody likes me or something. So that's kind of internal Facebook. Then I get people want to. I have tried relationship, but at some point no me need their more be I say like I want to just be and then concentrate on my job.
For some so, Debby.
So a bear son a family buy and me papa so buy no niena ye bisa no kan and say mistake about but of a sending call me papa more for some time.
I have bear man on a kind.
Yes.
Wow.
So
maybe I'm now or what habo when it demon oko oh mommy we will for.
Yes. Well, to me things are like we were planning, we were almost 60% done with marriage via like any operation now me second one anchor. We could have been wedded legally.
Okay.
But a ban we had to forget about that one and then me said things weren't working, so I started saving secretly because anytime me catch any mommy send a bunny baby near catch me and say on the ban with two for and send a bano echo Australia, my name is Bano Como Bedemi. Yes, the mom kept telling me this, and so me started say me save it.
Mama, we near the
Emma Qualano, that Obisa me bibia. Samato in Sopra Macolana, na me just scour no honor, but na me save me juma, na me save me juma, na me save. None of them knew say I was saving or something. And since I mean child no me who are engagement saying na me movie out no, he paid the loan 1, 2 and then he stopped.
Loan no?
Yes.
Wow.
And he relocated and alone be maker because me farmer no na or guarantee. So there was no way I know bit me after or no. And then he had paid about 30-something million and then the rest a be maker. But that time no so na bank issues abana amount for sika alloc So the bank was a sprinters nice cancel so I had to empty my shop. And then me ordering near my chair, me na me so growing up me part to tonti near my dear. Ya me adom.
And you mean you ram ya kolano.
Yeah, so ya me adom and then the loan manager Melvin was also very helpful. W0man, and then he was patient, and I cleared the loan, and I moved on. I decided, say, let me concentrate on my job. So I decided to do free training willingly. Send me the soul seed. I said, "Yankopon ebe na doma." So me a free training, and then I decided, me so me obia me ma. So my friends were supportive during this loan payments, and then we and obia ye kowaju kowe because akwala feeding mba but nothing. But my papa was like, "Onim some you're strong, so I can do it," and I did it.
With the help of God.
So say me bompa empo me shita nka say me hiaska bebra na bibi grace na ni favor no eno ne mpa ya de bia.
Nti ora de na ma be ma ne yesa.
As the obeshia oban, he started complaining, say me nwoye no na me share sa your stomach short way, but yeah, I'm a patient with me food, so there was no way I made me share so those things into as obeshia obia ni pane man no then
nti otwaso say one movie from you or call the next person next science here and so best san sa atwaso sa to serious best ya na
me anyame to me ye no ne say me be free honom no na girl ne nyam ti na ye de koye engagement me free honom 3 months pepe na onya miscarriage. And then onya miscarriage me nka say me de but be ma no so na ejuma say say no hu na mobo Kristo de odo ho to no so anemo timi ye no me nka say me danyame ase say wa ba sa but na nyame timi ye no me yes say I'm good, I help people, and then nyama say to me no na edu baby no na bembuye. But I spoke to a couple of friends, Adobia, Wendy Mo, Rhoda, US, Omunina were like, Debby, you can make it. Sierra, Obia friend me, Debby, you can make it, And then my grandma, my prayer warrior, she was like, Adeoba Boshimi.
And on I see any same thing.
Like, a friend me a day, me locally, me wage. So she started crying on me, say, me. As the indirectly of blackmailing me, said I don't know. So I was like, because of this old lady, because of what I'm going through, and then she gave me some money. I started my job small, and I'm be fine. My son is fine. He's almost 4 years.
And Bema no where akwala no. O call ya wa frepping.
Of free a person who akwala no me true chika mano because
I need to know yes.
I did that because nothing comes from him for the boy. And then
Tinya fe na de bejenchia.
Dabi. Want me find jinchia sa. But recently
so all ye den ya o ye ne spam.
Eno dear
obi say onyini a obeba.
Eno na ye no but I don't mind say meaning say our papa. I say ye free honum at a young age in akwala no onim say ne papa ni.
Onyini obi ba kire.
Say me worry and sana obenyin dia. He will get to know my husband say any papa. You understand? Now later you bet church much but now no. A bed in so bet me convince me say any papa ni because onim no say any papa ni.
Okay. Now cause a migraine no yare now yare na yes spiritual. On Jenny say what worrying so na spiritual thing.
And yes spiritual ni daho. I am saying say ni daho because at some point no me free hono no na me friend be stand alone no na me ka say wo de bone a waye die nti me bisa no nti pi na waye o say den wakoku nipa na
wow
oba na wakwakofa nipa ne kasa otinu say this thing no sa wa shada bibi so a
if you are spiritually you chim na adwin no nti no
na need da ho because na ne mame ankasa aka cha me say oni contractors bi akoye ejuma da ama bibi sanso esi ama up to now yeti won the salary mu so it's like adia oye no you understand. So the mother has given me more information about our family to the extent say I know more than I'm supposed to. In the
information am amene de ma no now jidi se na ye they say yes you adio
information na ma amene de ma me no
and I more information.
Yes, I learned and me nyamisuya omune say in life no ye nipa you should learn not to talk too much more than you are supposed to because the woman talks. And then wakasa manabu so many ne bani issue ni ba bank phone free omo free na o say me na mama ne ba no life I basa because my mama me mpa ebo mo ayedin. But I was like, wow, but 30 something years no mpa ebo ntimi ayehwe ama no na me amene no.
Abotre.
Me amene ne nanti be at some point no like family ni nyanti ne sister penny rush.
So not just sunny okasa na just say be ma na ebusuafo nko na odo papa bi anhya de ni ho ma.
Because of loan no payment ne be buy. He started blackmailing them say mamba obeku ne ho. And they all turned against me saying to okoku ne ho no. Owu ebe me dana. And I miss me bisa say then I me fe mo no so say me nko. He doesn't care about myself and Akwala no na miss me ko wu ye into bi anfa de de enko. And then say me free ho no mpo I expected say omo beba me papa mo ho no mo say me pack it out no na ma be ka bi because mo den san ne ma buy na mo be fa me free ho no so you should have respected my family.
So na me beside say na o mama no papa ya aware
from them and none of them say man took am ba ho am be kan chem papa say mo ba na ye be fa no de ne call ye no
ya signed the
number say ni say till now so I lost respect for all of them seriously.
Okay.
Because the fact that mumbu me family no, I can't leave my family and then come and be showing you respect and another thing. Say mumbu me busunya, it me yamwana.
You do me, I do you.
It's the same like that.
Okay.
So sana be but me koto nema yawo mo hono me lord me koto ade on the shop ho.
And you now
Me koto ade on hono because I'm paying for it. At some point me kwa osema yenton ade no mama.
Wow.
So me bisa
I say you fan chawa na yenton
like my yenton mama my enjista o me hono.
Okay.
So me bisa ne say no ye ne ba penini nim hu biana because me nim from ne kasa mu ne say no ne me bonko mu no show ni the second born no pa. So I decided to tell her but rush no like as me call her ne me sure sometimes e na jokingly no aka say me de omo ni me ni asem na fifi na omo ne no asem. So since me free hono almost 2 years ni 150 and if free rush hono e dey ba akwala ne ho me say baby a me gine bia meka no mo nkoye te say omo sha akwala ne na e bia me na me mpese papa.
So are you ready to forgive him?
I have forgiven him.
And tell the internal woman access to Neba.
Na access to Obano akwala no hono you know where I stay. You understand? Nobody is stopping you from coming to my house. This is not the first time I will bafi hono. So why are you not coming there?
And so yes, Jinti Adada, on your shores bafi I hear another at trigger. Mommy, are you stronger than Samson?
Me saying something.
I'm not
it won't work. Oh, say the yo nasa yo ya yenja fire.
Okay.
Yes, so like I just want to concentrate. Nana me bomba ne say na me to me nsem na bibia nhia kwala no.
Amen.
Eno ne empire de bia me but ne busuafo ne maami obia issue isi ya oye bibia.
International say from what you're saying no your book kokoko enye aware.
Kokoko nya aware. Kokoko nya aware but me niama me be movie Kotsina in chain pekope no na me be fire funu no I was menstruating so I didn't know say menyem ti yehu ye na menya 4 months now the year enye
na nka na obeyi de
enka no kro nya minim
na bra na oye na nim say betimi aye na sa na ate
anka but now it was 4 months gone. And then my papa position was sorry no na yentimi emfa pregnancy ni nyewe because I was vomiting. Ubisam, how are you? I'm fine. I'm kekena meka no menu my money.
Wow.
For me sanso emamo akwaba epiemu e de ba ye dwumadie yi eso. Met mesika me mama akwaba.
Miniaba. Me je wo so miniaba.
Empumbo kwa die.
Nyame adom.
Ye de radia se
adom ti ye ho ye pa.
E de radia se. Na miniaba me am gidi se watie abaye ne nsem a wode atudwe. Said the wabbo nsem so ne nsem kaye mu no den na obetimi akade afa ne nsem bo ne tofa fa maye.
Metie pa. But me blame no you know and aside then so me make us me consider no.
Okay.
Then tina me blame no. Once I so aya mistake bi wo wa ya na ye de ye ho ko hyem.
Okay.
Won ema edusa empempe so yi Debby amasem ba ko ameka ne se obema edowa uwu bia uwu wi a e na ubehu se be ma no do wa na se ondo.
Okay.
Na yesiso aya na ye di odo achichiri ye ho ni ye mistakes. Ye di odo bi chichiri ye ho ti say ye wodo ama esu nipa na mo de eni tie na ode nam.
Okay.
Den ti na make sa Bible mo ni ma me ko Bible mo.
Okay.
Eyin fa na ye chiro say oba ndo be ma.
Yes, oba mo be.
Osi be ma do yere. Na oba enye submissive oba mbre no wase ema nikunu. Den ti na Bible won say ade bi a Bible sisu no ne ye ya. That means odo a oba do be ma no mistake.
Okay.
Because ushe mu abema embema eyomudin so mu bedo be ma betimi adon baten.
Okay.
Enti
ni na so so
eye
bibia wo de ba kire se wo do nipa no.
Asemo eye den se bema ebedo oba iti na Bible si su bie mu no.
Okay.
Na eye den ba ye problem no so se ye bebre ye ho anse no. Eno so wutimi hu se ye ade eye den ma emba enti na Bible si ye no so.
Okay.
Ba ye mba na ye de nyoma bi achichiri ye ho se odo na ye printing mistakes. Yes, you can love, but my dear, love with wisdom. Yes, and far trust too much in komu say chese wo hia wo nyankopon be ma no ye nipo wo hia wo nyankopon ye ade nko na wo ye oba hwemba bu egu ni dress omu dress na enyoma embe ma nsususu the Bible crazy so be ma love your wife na so wo say be ma no do no eya din say be ma be committed to to one woman.
Okay.
The only one thing that I have been observing or since me I'm getting matured, I realize is say the only thing a man nipa and a be faithful the fear of God.
Okay.
Aside that, you know, as human being ankasa, we are capable of doing anything. We are capable of killing. Yet to me bibia say nyamisro ni yemu a enti be mo sro nyame pe no betimi stay with nyamisro enumpo no she na sofo amaba mistakes omo ye so what am I say enumpo no ye fa ne say few they to me enti yensu sunfa ye unre mu and at beginning the foundation ye wrong. The foundation of a woman a yen ware wo ye we shia be ma di odon kwa no odo enimonyam hye enimu sa because untimi show bi ga se me do unti no wa dada betina me so no wa sorry akotena me so na sacrifice an ka se wo de ma wukunu no wo de ni nyina ma be ma no onko ware wo ye
na chese me ti wasi ya oba eni kwan se ukokotena be ma so abra ye nware wo
oba bi eni wa wonyansa seven me fancy unkra owo nyansa yen ware ni your kotena be ma so wa ma be ma no
to show say odo be ma no like
be mistake.
Okay.
Enemre mu yen fa odo nkwa ware ana yen fa odo yesi denti na odo anka obe ma mbu mbe bi kwasia because otimi shi obaby o shape o bibia won ye can dress your dress into janu ko ware obi foforo.
Yeah.
Obe may be a woman with substance. You can say a woman with value and a woman with standard. Oba na ye can efia dia onimu ye when it comes to how to carry myself onimu ye how to take care of the home as a industrial woman.
Okay.
And a God-fearing woman. And Timbe be fully around her with Abia and Baum some ye Jimmy for some of them have been a victim because of ignorance. But it's high time by you realize it say yemfa odon ye we have to do things with wisdom because when nyansa na wan kotina be man so me sure say be man no that time no na bia ope oba no won say cat and this anyoma we number mu ye nti na he was ready to commit enti anko be anything possible akwa committee to oba we family but because of mistake ono so ye otu man pomrika kwatena be man so no enema obe man so ne ho fro no because me penny na menya as a man me who service me as my wife in pemwa go ye dibi who see me nyoma ma fa wo say house help on can't just say fa wo say house help but na ni tim no nti wanya ofo
okay
wo wie ya so ya sa koye operation papa wo man ani tua I've sure say me born ho kaye this is not the woman I want to live with
okay
enti e wona na ne otu American of fan one
na oba mercy won sem kan na say emema say ne dono ebeda ne ho adi a da ne ho adi abra wawo say awonya bemu a na obema ne su ne odo a wo ma no eda ne wadi be say
a revelation it's a revelation that I had
okay
sebema pewa won say emba yesesa wo ye youth na say wo 22 23 24 18 wo ko 25 26 na ya na ho akono appearance like who akono you are very attractive otun jinejina so wo baby a jinejina so ebosi enti say be mani hu na no no de ba ya wo we are changes bem won say awo so won emu nsem utimi koyetimi operative ya untimi nya nyom ebi untimi nya exercise ka be na ebi a ache enti we futimi be ye kese obebi so wo obedidi san na wetu abom enti se wo san nyoma we nyina si enti na bible na guide e boa ye ba ye na ejato nchen ebe yesa nka be warewi ansa na enu san be ma no committee ewie nti ebe din say ye easy so be free mo etu wu wi a wafu ne nyoma sesa oto na etimi tigu etimi be ye peche hips na etimi chiatia kakra ba ne san na enu nti na ode ba ya obedwane but say enye enu nti na odo ye soulmate and odo free na kumemu a just say we say one of I appreciate you more and then kola
oba mercy ye mre ne bebre fa final words etudwama eye emabno mabaso a ye nua be ya na ye mami ne small de tudwa no still na ebinu mo ye all those nkofo akomba omuntie mu afutu no onso so fa futu bi ema wo mu
me want na me won say youth I sisu ye too curious and curiosity kills the cat that's one thing we have to learn and our one mistakes leads to thousands of mistakes and a regression at the end no one kasa be regret a wontimi enko siesie nyoma biem enti ye ma ye ninda wona mampomrika mistakes bi a ye ne odo na ye chichiri ye ho na ye jimi ye ho too much as youth no ye committed to people that are not ready to commit to it obey the ultimate so committed to a man he wasn't ready to also sacrifice because it ultimate case operation ti we jai oba ni life for their man they just say we ye coward coward enti ye ma ye ninda wo na se na ye nkonkotu mampomi kan kwateten hwe ti se na ebinu mate ahwe si ye be fa na e be boa en si se ye be experience the bitterness and the pains of our mistakes.
Okay, ebusian for Obamas wakasa ebebre efutu wom enti ebeboa se nsoso no obefa bi ede aboko to dwema family nsoso fa wode na ye nyina yemfa embo ya brabo aha ene edi edwumadie no ebesie adwintwe bia obetimi ede aba e wotuma GH comment section subscribe to your channel no se wonye ya obetimi follow yen e wo ye IGP atuma GH _ me amede edwumadie ho chame midin ene ekese kapa me ne Miss Mexical ene ne de ye twetwen enkomo that's the name ebesane share makram
fit any assist anything and your friends say mechanic na prophet kumichacha my sister me YouTube no baby am hwe bia am change afro and maba too much GH share na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe